JEE Mains Session Result 2 has been out, and if you want to know how much I scored, then stay tuned. If you want to know how many marks I scored and how many attempts I gave, and in which attempt I scored how much, and am I eligible for JEE Advance or not, and if not, then what was the reason behind that. So, for knowing all those things, stay tuned. And I'm not qualified in any of these exams because the cutoff was too high. And in second attempt, which was an April attempt, it could be possible that I would be eligible for giving the advance only if I had got made EWS, but I didn't get it made because it was not sure whether I'll be giving JEE Mains exam this year or not. So I didn't get it made, and I'm not qualified for this, and I'm not trying for next JEE attempt. I will be directly go getting it. So I took both the attempts, January attempt and April attempt. So in January attempt, I scored 66 marks. In that, my maths performance was too good, but physics was not. And in April attempt, I scored 84 percentile, which was not so good, but much more than my expectation. And I'm not eligible for JEE Advance in any of the exams because the cutoff is much higher. In JEE Mains exam, you can't trust two subjects, that is, you all know, maths and physics. We never know that which one of them is going to be easier. In first attempt, maths was much easier than physics, and I scored better in maths as compared to physics. And in second attempt, physics was much easier than mathematics. Even I didn't get to know that where the question is asked from in mathematics subject. So maths was that level of difficult. So if you had to score well, then always focus more on chemistry because that's the easier subject, and most of the questions which are asked from chemistry, they are from the NCERT concepts only. So it's easier to learn them and to boost our marks when maths and physics can't support us. Out. The next result that is left to be out is the CBSE board examination result. That is the result for which everyone else, just like me, is waiting for, and it is to be revealed within 1 week. And I'm so much scared for that result. And this time, I will not be scoring much as much I scored last time because this time I had physics and mathematics.